There seems to be a lot of questions about using and adding to the calendar function on our new website. So I thought I would take advantage of putting information into the advisory webpage to show you how to do it. So this is what the advisory webpage looks like right now. Just a couple of things from our first organizing advisory sessions and the link to the survey to make it easier for these students to get to it. But I've decided I want to add a calendar function here. And so I'm going to log into eChalk and get to this page, my home page with all of the web pages that I can work on. And I'll select the advisory. Then click on Manage Public Pages. And here I have to decide where I want the calendar to show. Now, advisory is not going to be very content heavy. It's only going to have the home page, which is the advisory information page. So I'm going to click on that, then edit. I want to add a new row. So I click on Add New Row, and then I have to choose whether I want 100% of the row to be calendar down to 25%. Now I could use any one of these layout options, but I do have an idea of another screencast that I want to do for you guys. So I'm going to select the 50/50 and select that for now. So click Choose, scroll down, and add content. When you want to add the calendar, you choose Events. It's got the little calendar icon next to it, so you select that, and it bumps you to this screen, the event block, and you need a title. So keep it simple. And then you need to decide where your source is going to be. Now, it automatically selects the event source page for the page that you're working on. And here you can see it says Westbrook Middle School Advisory. But I have the option of clicking that green button and searching for school websites, class websites, group websites whose dates I feel are important to add to this calendar. Now, I'm not going to add anything to this one because I want to keep it simple so the kids find the information that they need right away. Then you also have down here, show 5 items, maximum 20 events. And on your page, this is going to carousel through. It's not going to show them all at the same time. So you get to choose which dates you want, how many dates you want to show up for the students. And I'm just going to leave it at the 5. Not too many, not too few. And I'm going to click Save. And now I have it back here, and it says I'm showing 5 events. It's not actually showing the events, but it's letting me know how many events I've opted to show to the user. And then done editing. Now we need to make sure that there's something in the calendar for people to see. So I click on Calendar, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in the September 30th advisory. So we'll do, and in the description, I'll go ahead and type in what we've got on our little schedule, which is so on our next advisory, we're going to make sure kids can access PowerSchool, review grades, and that they get a chance to explore the teacher websites. And it's going to go on public, and I create events. And there it is. So I'm going to head back to class, manage public, advisory. And the reason I did that is I want to go ahead and click Preview Draft so I can get an idea of what it's going to look like. And now you can see that it's different. We've got that new block, we've got the empty block, and we've got our advisory calendar showing September 30th, October 28th, November 18th, December 16th, and onwards for 5. And then it comes back to September 30th. Now, if kids want to see the year as a whole, all they have to do is click this calendar icon, which is supposed to take them to the calendar. So let's see how it looks in the live page. All right, we got a little technical glitch there. We'll come back to eChalk. We'll update published. And we will try it again. There we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. So they can see the whole month at a time, and they can scroll through the year that way. And then once we are done, and we've clicked that little blue update published, we're good to go. So go play, see what you can do, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.